चाहिँ बोला नि सिक्स 10 ओके लेट्स हामी चाहिँ 16 मा एक्ज्याक्टली स्टार्ट गरौँ ल
तिलक आइसक्यो
तिलक छैन आउँछु अब मैले फोन गरेको जोइन गरे
आफै छैन
तिलकको नेटवर्क अब कस्तो छ अब मेन मान्छे नै अब अलिकति नेटवर्क प्रब्लम भयो भनेदेखि फेरि
सुस्मिता हजुरको आवाज अड्केर आयो के बुझ्नु म
सुनेन मैले बोले
ए अलि अड्के थियो कि अघि न
ए अहिले सुन्यो तिलकको नेटवर्क चाहिँ कस्तो छ भनेर भन्यो कि
तिलकको फोनै लागेको छ
विश्वमा आउनुभयो सन्तोष दाइ आउनुभयो है सञ्जीव दाइ पनि जोइन गर्दा हेलो विश्वमा दाइ
हेलो
हेलो एकछिन ल
विजय ब्रदर
हेलो
अहिलेको
सन्तोष
लिंक हेलो
आफ्टर लङ टाइम यार एकदमै
लङ टाइम यार
सन्तोष
मेरो
भन्छ
तिमीले अघि पठाएको त्यो सुरुमा पठाएको लिंकले कामै नगरिरहेको एकछिन
खै दाइ सबैले
मैले
त्यसबाटै जोइन गर्नु
पासवर्ड रिमुभ गर्दै भएर भनेको थिएँ
पासवर्ड भएर
हाल्न परेन कि
त्यसमा
मैले मेरो ल्यापटप हाल्न बाँकी छ कि मैले ब्राउजरबाटै खोलेको एपबाट भएन के
हेलो सञ्जीव दाइ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ
ठिक छ ब्रदर तिम्रो के छ के गर्दैछौ आजकल बिने हेलो केमा व्यस्त हो आज भोलि
हामी एकैछिन के अरे हाम्रो प्रेसिडेन्ट इलेक्टलाई कुरिरहेको छौँ है अलि रुरल एरियाजमा भएको भएर त्यो नेटवर्कलाई अलि नेटवर्कको प्रब्लम छ कि
प्रेसिडेन्ट इलेक्ट अहिलेसम्म
प्रेसिडेन्ट
इलेक्ट हो
इन्कमिङ प्रेसिडेन्ट भनौँ न
सन्तोष दाइ हेलो विश्वम्बर दाइ
हेलो हेमन्ती
सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँहरू
अल गुड
कोरोना लागेको छैन
अहिलेसम्म
सबै कोरोना नलाएको हुनाले आछौँ
तिलक जोइन स्टार्ट गरौँ
अहिलेलाई ठुलो कुरा त्यही हो अहिलेको लागि होइन
Shall we begin?
अब सुरु गर्दा हुन्छ
यो टाइल भ्यू गरौँ न सबैलाई हेर्ने गरी मिलाउन
सन्तोष दाइ तपाईको अहिले रिभर्स भइरहेछ किन त्यो के भन्छ
को आइरहेछ
स्पिकरमा स्पिकर अन गरेछु
होइन मैले लाउड स्पिकर नै बोल्छु त्यसो भए
ठिक छ
अहिले म्युट राख न अब के स्टार्ट गरौँ न
गुन्जनलाई पनि आउँदा हुन्छ र अब स्टार्ट गर्दै जाउँ हैन इन्ट्रोडक्सन पार्ट उनीहरु गर्दै गरौँ
अविना खै
यो 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 यसलाई टाइल भ्यू गराउ न एडमिनले को यो सबैलाई हेर्न मिलोस् न एकैचोटी यो मैले गर्ने हो
छ दाइ त्यो माथि हजुरको उता स्पिकर भ्यूमा छ होला हजुरले चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ दाइ त्यो इन्डिभिजुअल हो त्यो त माथितिर हेर्नु न स्पिकर भ्यू र त्यो माथितिर ठ्याक्कै हजुरको ल्यापटपबाट भए चाहिँ माथि त्यो के रे फुल स्क्रिन जस्तो को लेफ्ट साइडमा त्यो भ्यू ग्यालरी के भन्दैछ त्यतातिर हुन्छ
कहाँनेर
ठ्याक्कै त्यो भिडियोको ठ्याक्कै माथि राइट साइडतिर हेर्नु न स्टार्ट गरौँ है अब स्टार्ट गरौँ Hello, Robina.
Good evening, everyone.
Robina, you are muted. Hello.
स्टार्ट गर्ने हो
अब स्टार्ट गरौँ
के रे यो सबैजनाको इन्ट्रोडक्सन राउन्ड गर्ने के फर्मली
इन्ट्रोडक्सन अहिले पढ्दा नि केटा हुने पछि फर्मली नै यहाँ जो जो मान्छे छ उसको त उसमा इन्ट्रोडक्सन भइहाल्छ त्यो अनाउन्समेन्ट सबै गर्दा सो आज इन्ट्रोडक्सन पार्ट चाहिँ नगरौँ हैन सो फर्मली उठ्ने जस्तो लगौँ न त्यो स्केड्युल हिसाबमै लगौँ न है
salary started. So first of all, good evening everyone. With a great honor and a privilege, I, Rotaractor Robina Bhuzel, the Vice President of Rotaract Club of Liberty College for Rotary 2021, would like to welcome you all in the 9th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Liberty College. Today, I am going to represent myself as Master of Ceremony for this installation ceremony. No one of us have never thought of having installation like this. So today we're going to witness quite different and amusing experience so far. So before starting our meeting, I would like to request everyone to keep your video on and make yourself muted. So thank you. Now, without wasting our time, I would like to start this session. Now, I would like to welcome our special guest for today's ceremony. First of all, I would like to welcome our incoming president, Rotaractor Tilak Rajpadu. So next, I would like to acknowledge the presence of DRR, District Rotaract Representative of RI District 3292, Nepal, Bhutan, Rotaractor Sanjeev Paudel.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, let me help to welcome our another dignitaries, Rotaractor Lokras Pandey, ZRR, Zonal Rotaract Representative of Zone 5, RI District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan.
Thank you, host.
Thank you. Now, next we have IPP immediate past president of Rotaract Club of Liberty College, Rotaractor Hemanti Kumari Chand.
Sorry, outgoing president, right, Robina?
Again, I would like to acknowledge the president of our sponsoring club, Rotary Club of Nagarjun, Rotarian Dr. Vishnu Prasad Gautam. Similarly, now I would like to welcome the starter president of Rotaract Club of Parbat Pokhara, Rotaractor Bisombar Basnik.
Liberty College.
Now I would like to welcome president of our twin club, Rotaract Club of Parbat Pokhara, Rotaractor Anita Soti. Similarly, now I would like to welcome president of Rotaract Club of Assam University, Rotaractor Swapnil Sarkar. Similarly, now I would like to welcome our past president, Rotaractor Santosh Baswala.
Thank you so much.
And next we have our past president, Rotaractor Susmit Lama.
Thank you.
Next we have our past president, Rotaractor Gunjan Khanal. Last but not the least, now I would like to welcome the secretary of Rotaract Club of Liberty College, Rotaractor Naveen Kadayat.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Now, it is time to pay a tribute to our national anthem. So I would like to request our Rotaractor Promotion Officer, Rotaractor Samir Shrestha, to play the national anthem. I'm extremely sorry, everyone. Like I forgot to welcome our one of the past president, Rotaractor Vinay Maharjan. Sorry, Rotaractor Rotarian Vinay Maharjan. I'm extremely sorry.
Thank you, Ravina.
Now I would like to move forward. Now it is time for the welcome remarks by Rotaractor Kusum Pathak.
Thank you. Hello and namaste. Patience is not about the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a positive attitude while waiting. Having kept this attitude, we have been able to fight together against this global pandemic. Respected Rotary and Rotarian leaders, as well as distinguished guests, I am Rotaractor Kusum Pathak, Community Service Director. Let me warmly welcome you all to the 9th installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Liberty College. It is a great pleasure and tremendous honor for us to have your presence on our ceremony. Rotary started with the vision of one man, Paul Harris, the Chicago attorney from the Rotary Club of Chicago on 23rd February 1905, so professionals with diverse backgrounds could exchange ideas and form meaningful lifelong friendships. Over time, Rotary's reach and vision gradually extended to humanitarian service. Members have a long track record of addressing challenges in the communities and around the world. Moving on with the motto, service above self, Rotary is a global network of 1.2 million neighbors, friends, leaders, and problem solvers who see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. Speaking about Rotaract, Rotaract originally began as a Rotary International Youth Program in 1968 in Charlotte North Rotary Club in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States, and has grown into a major organization of 10,698 clubs of the world and over 203,298 Rotaractors in 180 countries for young men and women between the ages 18 and over. Rotaract focuses on development of young adults as leaders in their communities and workplaces with the motto, self-development, fellowship through service. Clubs around the world also take part in international service projects in a global effort to bring peace and international understanding to the world. We are truly honored that we are a part of such a respected organization. We are truly honored to have with us today DRR Sanjeev Paudel, District Rotaract representative of RI 3292 Nepal, Bhutan. Similarly, we would like to thank Zonal Rotaract representative of our Zone B, ZRR Lokras Pandey, for his valuable presence in our ceremony. We would like to extend our gratitude towards our sponsoring club, Rotary Club of Nagarjun, President Rotarian Dr. Vishnu Prasad Gautam. We would like to welcome the president of our sister club, Rotaract Club of Sukedara, Rotaractor Chandra Bhakta Adhikari. We'd also like to welcome District Governor-elect of Rotary District 5030, Howard J. Cohen. I would like to thank our chartered president, Rotarian Viswambar Basnet, for leaving first ever mark on our club history with his enthusiasm and dedication. Your legacy shall be continued for years. I would also like to congratulate President of Rota Year 1920, Rotaract Hemanti Kumari Chand and her dream team for a successful year of outstanding Rotaract service. At last, I would like to congratulate our President for Rota Year 2021, Rotaract Tilak Rajbadu, for his upcoming tenure. I thank you all for sharing this special evening with us. Your presence means a great deal to us. This is truly a recognition to our commitment in making a better and a more peaceful world through our service. Your support will certainly energize and motivate us to do more. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Actor Kusum. Now we have one of the special guests in this ceremony. Let me acknowledge the presence of District Governor-elect of Rotary District 5030, Howard J. Cohen, in this ceremony.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's an honor to be in your presence. So thank you.
Thank you, Howard. Now moving toward the next, I would like to introduce incoming President Rotractor Tilak Rajbadu by outgoing President Rotractor Hemanti Kumari Chand.
Thank you. I request IT person to show the slides.
त्यो डाइरेक्ट प्रेजेन्टेसन अन गरेर अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ शेयर गर न
शेयर भएको छैन
छैन त्यो प्रेजेन्टेसनलाई खोल अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ शेयर गर न
So, yeah. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Tilak Rajbadu for selecting the president post for Rota year 2021 of Rota Club of Liberty College. So there is his introduction. Can you change the next slide? Thank you. His date of birth 29th January. I'm sorry, there is some, excuse me. Date of birth 29th January 2000. He is unmarried. His permanent address is Mahakali 05 Darchula and temporary address Santinagar 34 Kathmandu. His father's, sorry, previous one. Okay. His father's name is Mr. Gokan De Bodu. His male and contact number is as following. Language, he can speak Nepali, English and Hindi, and Gmail is badutilak@gmail.com. Moving forward, he passed his SLC from Sri Mahendra Higher Secondary School, Darchula in 2071 and +2 from Sri Mahendra Higher Secondary School, Darchula in 2074. He is doing his bachelor in Pokhara University at Liberty College, Anamnagar. Talking about his Rotary experience, he served as general member in Rotary year 2018-19, served as club service director and president-elect in Rotary year 2019-20, actively involved in different projects organized by the club. He has led major project organized during Rotary year 1920. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Himanti Chand. Now the time has come that we all have been waiting for. So now I would like to request our DRR, Sanjeev Paudel, to administer oath to our President, Retractor Tilak Raj Badu.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you very much. President, आफ्नो राइट ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नु होला. मैले आई भन्दा आफ्नो नाम र रोटरी क्लब भन्दा क्लबको नाम भन्नु होला. सो स्टार्ट गरे है त. I do solemnly swear that मैले सुनिरहेको छैन हजुर बोलेको है. I repeat it again. I do solemnly swear that
I do solemnly swear that
I will sincerely execute the
I will sincerely execute
office of President
the office of President
of Rotary Club of
Rotary Club of
Liberty College and shall do my best to keep up the decorum of Rotary movement by upholding the Constitution and statement of policy of our organization. Congratulations for being the president. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Dr. Tilak Raj Badu. Now he is officially announced as our new president for Rotire 2021.
Thank you, everyone.
Now I would like to request our president, Dr. Tilak Raj Badu, to call a meeting.
I would like to call today meeting installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Liberty College in order.
Sorry for the interruption. Tilak, yeah, if it's possible, हैन पुरै यो कम्प्युटरबाट चाहिँ त्यो कम्प्युटरको आवाज चाहिँ म्युटमा राख्नु तिम्रो दुईटा आवाज आएकोले इको आइरहेछ के कि एउटाबाट मात्र लगइन गर हैन त्यो आवाज चाहिँ धेरै नै इको आयो के
एउटाबाट मात्रै लगइन गरे हुन्छ त्यो नेट स्पिड पनि त्यो शेयर भयो के दुईटा डिभाइस भएर
Okay. Start garam hai. I would like to call today's meeting installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Liberty College in order.
Thank you, Dr. Tilak Raj Badu. Now again, I will like to request you for the acceptance speech.
Wait. Samir, could you please screen my acceptance speech? Would you have?
Tilak, Tilak, you can start. Oh, Tilak, you can start. Tilak, you can start the acceptance speech.
Screen.
Tilak, if you have the acceptance speech, you can view that in your laptop and you can just like start your acceptance speech.
मेरोमा लोड भइरहेछ के त एकछिन त्यही भएर ल भयो रेडी
Okay, you can start. Okay, you can start.
Let's start, right? Good morning, good evening, my fellow Rotractors and Rotarians. It's me, Rotractor Tilak Raj Badu, President of Rotary Club of Liberty College for Rotary year 2021. First and foremost all, I would like to thank you all for being a part of this ceremony. There are certain things I would like to share on my journey on being the president of the club. I always believe that we can be the change makers who bring change in people and the society. We live in a society where we can see problems in every street we go and every place I see. I always had a competition to be the change maker. That's when my path crossed with the club when I became a part of Liberty College. The first time I came to know about Rotrack was through an organization program which immediately pulled my attention into the opportunity that late in the future. Seeing our brothers and sisters engaging themselves in social service, personal development and foremost all fellowship, I was encouraged to join the club. No sooner I became a board member of the club and finally I am standing here in front of you all as the president of the club. I have been having some sleepless nights wondering the words to say, and finally the day arrives and I am standing in front of you delivering my views and most importantly my acceptance speech. I would like to take a moment to thank them, without whom I can confidently say I would not be here today. That's my family, because each of them have and will be playing a significant role in my life. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the eminent president board of choosing me as the one who will be leading the club in days to come and inspire the others to follow the path and legacy that our past president have established. Friends, it is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you on this graceful occasion and use the utter to most awaited words. Yes, I accept to the President of Rotary Club of Liberty College for the Rotary year 2021, but I single hand single head achieve nothing, so I am counting on my team support to achieve the growth and goals I have dreamed for the club. This is truly a moment to be honored and Christ. I accept this appointment with pride and will give my best effort to make you all proud on your decision. Lastly, I would like to end my speech with a quote. If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to boost the vision, pull you. Thank you everyone for being a part of installation ceremony. Jai Rotract, Jai Rotract.
Thank you so much, President. Now, this is time for introduction of our new board of directors by our President, Dr. Tilak Raj Badu.
Samir, could you please share the screen? Rotaract Club of Liberty College, Rotary International District 3292. Our club ID 9200. Okay, it's okay. Board of Directors for Rotary year. Board of Directors for Rotary year 2021, Rotary Club of Liberty College. Next slide, please. It's me, Rotractor Tilak Raj Badu, President, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Hemanti Kumari Chand, IPP, immediate past President, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Robina Bhujil, Vice President, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Naveen Kadayat, Secretary, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Sajita Bastola, Joint Secretary, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Desang Bega, Treasurer, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Samikshya Dahal, Joint Treasurer, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Rachna Devkota, Sergeant in Arms, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Sasank Joshi, SAP Area Coordinator, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next, please. Rotractor Rohan Regmi, Club Service Director, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Kusum Pachak, Community Service Director, Rotary Club of Liberty College, Rotary year 2021. Next. Rotractor Dipesh Singh Thapa, Professional Development Director. Next. Rotractor Saurabh Neopani, International Service Director. Next. Rotractor Manasi Kumari, Vocational Service Director. Next. Rotractor Salina Maharjan, Rotary Communication Officer. Protractor Samirman Shrestha, Protract Promotion Officer. Protractor Paras Batala, New Generation Director. Rotarian Protractor Binay Maharjan, Club Advisor. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, President. So our next guest have also arrived. He is Rotaractor Kusmanand Nath, International Service Director for Rota Year 2021 of Rotaract Club of Assam University, Rotary RID 3240 India.
Welcome to you, Kusmanand.
Hello, thank you. Thank you for the welcome.
Thank you so much. Now, I would like to request our President Rotaractor Tilak Raj Padu to administrate oath for our new office bearers.
Thank you, Samir. All the BOD members, please raise your right hand, stand, and repeat my words. Oath for Board of Directors. I do solemnly swear.
I do swear
That I will sincerely execute
that
I will sincerely execute
the office of your designation.
the office of your designation
The office of Secretary.
Sergeant
Of Rotaract Club of Liberty College.
Of
Liberty
College.
And shall do my best.
shall do my best
To keep up the decorum of our Rotaract.
to keep the decorum of our
Movement.
By upholding the Constitution and statement.
By holding
the Constitution and statement
By upholding the Constitution and statement
of policy of our organization.
of policy of
our
organizations.
Policy of our organization.
Congratulations all. You are now 2020 Rotary all BOD members. Thank you. Congratulations all.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Clap for all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, President. Now, everyone, let me welcome the Program Director of Liberty College, Pravik Rajjoshi, sir. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Program Director of Rotaract.
Are you listening to me? Thank you so much.
Thank you so
We are
much, sir.
grateful that you manage your time for us.
Okay, thank you so much. It's my privilege to be here.
Now, I would like to request our IPP, Rotaractor Hemanti Kumari Chan, to address the meeting.
Sorry, you said address the meeting. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ravina. So, talking about my experiences in this club. Let me start from my theme, lead from where you are. The theme of Rotaract year 1920, when I was the president of Rotaract Club of Liberty College. My journey in Rotaract is quite a humorous one. I never thought about joining Rotaract, but one of my friends forced me to join, and where he filled my form, he paid my dues and brought me here. But yes, I know I can say that that was the decision I will never regret in my life. I always had a fear of talking in front of people, like what they're gonna say, what they're gonna do, why they are looking at me, where I'm go. I was kind of introvert person, but later on, the things slowly turned into interest of being part of service, knowing other critical situation and help them, service for needy ones, and so on. The courageous seniors were so much friendly and made me so comfortable that I turned them into family from seniors. I joined this club in Rotaract year 1718, 3 years back. I solved through being sergeant at arms because my friend believed that I'm kind of strict person. Likewise, next year I become treasurer and luckily got the chance to become first lady president of the club. That was a magical moment. In this journey, the two hands were never tired of my mistakes and always ready to lift me up with same motivation and little bit scolding, because he was like, "You nagara, tyo nagara, esto gara, usto gara" type of person. My mentor, Rotarian protector Vinay Maharjan. We were from same batch, same age, but there was one difference between us, that was level of evaluating things. That is why he is my inspiration person. And अरूको पनि होला, he helped the club to catch the new height of serve, where all of us doing it in regular way. He find the extraordinary way to do that. All of you must know about that. He did so much till now, like when he is our past president as well as advisor. He is still guiding us to do better, and we really do appreciate you and your effort. Talking about my other hand, our charter president, Rotarian protector Bishambar Basnit, and all the past presidents who were always ready to help, whether it's personal or professional. So thank you so much for being there for me and always pushing me through my limits. In my tenure, lots of projects were done, but that was not possible without a good team. And I think I have the best team with courageous energy and unbreakable effort. I would like to thank each of you with graceful heart. Without you, I'm nothing. I'm incomplete. And this tenure would have not been possible, and this was successful. So a big round of applause to the whole team for making our club successful. Clap for yourself. So lastly, when you come to the end of any experience, there is always a mixture of emotions: relief about responsibilities, coming to an end, sadness about the journey that you adore now will no longer be there, but you will no longer be there for you, but also excitement in adopting what has been learned in past years and applying to everything that is come to you. And this year, I felt I have learned a lot from you guys and from everyone that I've been passed through. And lastly, I have passed this legacy to a compassionate president, Rotaractor Tilak Raj Badu and his amazing team. So I would like to congratulate them and expect them to do great work for the society, and we'll always be there for you. Thank you for having me. Jai Rotaract.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Hemanti Chand. Now, I would like to request our Zonal Rotaract representative, Rotaractor Lokras Pandey, to administer oath for our new general members.
Robin, if it's possible, could you please also name the general members, new general members? Robin, if it's possible, can you name the announce the new general members as well?
Am I audible?
So नयाँ मेम्बरको नामहरु लिदिन नयाँ मेम्बर.
Okay. So Rotaractor Samiksha Chaulagai, Rotaractor Jamuna Thapamagar, Rotaractor Angela Dungana, Rotaractor Vivek Adhikari, Rotaractor Binita Pokhrel, Rotaractor Sajita Bastola,
No, that's all. Robin, that's all.
Thank you for the floor once again. I would like to request all the members to open their camera and if they are available. Please raise your right hand. Do repeat after me. If I mention the I, after I you should mention your name. So, ready? Things ready. Okay. I. You can unmute yourself. All the new members are requested. I think everyone unmute themselves.
Yeah, they have unmuted themselves. Look, you can start.
मेरो आवाज नआइरा हो
हैन लोक आइरा छ स्टार्ट गर्दा हुन्छ
ए हुन्छ 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 साथीहरुले भनेपछि आफ्नो नाम लिनु होला है
Vivek Adhikari.
Do solemnly promise that I will sincerely serve as a member of Rotaract Liberty College and shall at all times uphold the ideals and the principle of this organization. Congratulations, everyone. You are newly inducted member in the Rotaract family, and you are the newest and youngest member in the Rotaract family. And congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Enjoy the Rotaract journeys.
Thank you.
Here with the same platform. Thank you. Congratulations, and once again, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, everyone. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Rotaractor Vijay Subedi and Sahad Adhikari from Rotaract Club of Panesar. Welcome to our ceremony.
Thank you, Rotaract Club of Liberty College, and congratulations to the entire team of Rota year 2020 and 2021. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So moving forward to our ceremony, I would like to request Rotaractor Samir Man Moharjan for slides of presentation of Rotaract year 1920 of club activities.
Every single day, I'm down with
Thank you so much, Director Samir. Now I would like to request our immediate past president, Director Hemanti Kumari Chand, for recognition of club members for their support during Rota year 1920.
Thank you, Robina. There must be a slide. Samir, can you show it for me? There must be a slide for it.
मैले स्लाइड अन गरिदिएको छु त त्यो
Okay. Okay, I can see that. So in my tenure, there is a lot of, we done lots of project, and here is the report, project, what we done, and coordinators of the those projects. At first, its installation ceremony was coordinated by Rotractor Kusum Pathak, Rotractor Dipesh Singh Thapa, and Rotarian Rotractor Binay Morrison. Here is some pictures of that. Second project we done road safety awareness training in Liberty College, which is coordinated by Rotractor Naveen Khadayat, Rotractor Dipesh Singh Thapa. We can see the participant and our team. The another project is fellowship with Twin Club, Twin Club, RSC Parvat Pokhara, which is coordinated by Rotractor Salina Mahajan and Rotractor Tilak Raj Badu. The next one is Friendship Day celebration at Sri Jest Nagrik Tatha Bal Balika Mandir, which is orphanage. It is coordinated by Rotractor Kusum Pathak. Here is some pictures of those little persons and those smiles. Thus, the next project is project management training facilitated by Rotractor Gunjan Khanal, which is our past president as well. It is coordinated by Rotractor Tilak Raj Badu. Here is a picture of our team. And next one is blood donation campaign, jointly with Rotary Club of Reliance College and Rotary Club of Sukedara. Sukedara is our sister club as well, and it's coordinated by our four members. Aryan Acharya, our past member Vijay Subedi, past member Sahad Adhikari, and Saurabh Nyupani. Here's a picture of that. The next one is computer distribution at Sri Ratna Secondary School, Damauli. Project coordinator, Retractor Rotarian Binem Harz. Here's some pictures of that. Same venue, clean drinking water system, Sri Janta Basic School. Project coordinator, Rotarian Retractor Binem Harzan. Here's some picture of that, which jointly with Nesto. The next one is global hand washing celebration. Sanitation kits distribution at Sri Ratna Secondary School, Sri Janta Basic School. Project coordinator coordinated by Retractor Rotarian Binem Harzan. Here's some picture of those innocent smiles. In same event, there is Tilprit Club formation with Rotary Club of Parbat Pokhara and Rotary Club of Damauli. Project coordinator, Rotarian Retractor Binem Harzan. Here's a picture of that. The next one is Lakshmi Puja celebration at Liberty College, which is coordinated by our secretary for that time, Robina Bujil. Lakshmi Puja celebration at orphanage and hand washing training with jointly with RC Dhangadi, which is coordinated by me, Imanti Kumari Santi. Here's some pictures of that. It is also happening in an orphanage. There is next one, Constitution Day celebration jointly with RC Parbat Pokhara and Sukedara. Project coordinated by Retractor Rotarian Binem Harzan and me myself. Thank you. Here are some pictures of Binem Harzan celebrating the Constitution Day at Sukedara Chowk. The next one is International Literacy Day celebration at CDAC, which is another orphanage at Kopan, which is also coordinated by Retractor Rotarian Binem Harzan and me. Thank you. Blood donation campaign at Liberty College, collaboration with Himal Blood Bank Transfusion Center, project coordinator, Retractor Aryan Acharya. Here are some pictures of that. Fellowship with ICYP team, project coordinator for that time is Retractor Rasna Devkota. Here is those team who came long way to meet us. There was another program, a huge program, I must say, free dental camp and sanitation kit distribution at Sri Jan Jagrati School, which is top of the Kopan, I guess. And for that, there is 3 coordinators, Retractor Rohan Regmi, Retractor Kusum Pathak, Retractor Rasna Devkota, and all the team who done lot of for this project. It is jointly with KDC. Rotary Club of Kathmandu Dental College. Here is a picture of that time. There is another project, food and stationery distribution at Bal Mandir, Naxal, which is also coordinated by Rotary and Binay Mahajan. Here is the picture of that orphanage. Thank you. There is another project, the Art of Public Speaking with Twin Club, jointly with Twin Club Parbat Pokhara, which is coordinated by Rotary Samin Manshrest. Here is our speaker and the format. Online Charter Day celebration, which is coordinated by Rotary Tilak Raj Badu, the president. Relief distribution at Sri Jest Nagrik Tatha Bal Balika, coordinated by Saurabh Nyopani. Here is the picture of that. It is during the corona. It is during the lockdown time, I guess. And relief distribution at Bura Nilkant, project coordinated by Rotary Saurabh Nyopani. A huge thanks for that. He done so much for this project. Here is the picture of our club advisor, Rotary and Binay Mahajan, distributing some of the relief material to the local peoples, and this is at Lalitpur, I guess. Relief distribution at Jor Party, project coordinator, Rotary and Binay Mahajan. Oh, I guess there is some picture miss. This is the Saurabh distribution relief material at Bura Nilkant. Financial support for a kidney patient project. It is whole coordinated by Rotary and Binay Mahajan, and help. There is so much fund collection by our club as well, club members as well. So thank you for all. Thank you for this, because when we distribute that amount to this person, this kidney person, he is so happy that he collect so much money, and he said he welcomed us so gracefully. There are some club without home. There are some club without home. Rotary year 2019-20 would have not been successful. We would like to thank all of them for their support. There are some of the organizations who help me in my tenure from many areas and from many things. First of all, I would like to acknowledge Liberty College for giving us such opportunity and such helpful hands, and encourage us every time. So thank you, Liberty College. Next one, I would like to thank you, Rotary Club of Nagarjun, for supporting us and guidance us for whole year, and I wish they will continue it. Next one, I would like to acknowledge the Nestro organization for helping hands. Next one, I would like to acknowledge the Himal Blood Bank, Himal Blood Center, where they help us entire year for collecting blood and helping peoples. Next one, I would like to acknowledge Dabur for sponsoring us in every project. most of the project, I must say. And next one, I would like to acknowledge Rotary District 5030. This is right or no? Thank you for their presence in our life and their influence. Next one, I would like to acknowledge Rotary Club of Kantipur Dental College for collaborating us in such a huge project. Next one, Social Sustainable Youth Foundation for collaborating us in most of the project and help us with sponsors. Next one, Nepal Volunteer Association, our twin club Parvat Pokhara, for their ideas and fellowship with us. And next one, BHB Food Bank for their sponsors and sponsors and helping us. Thank you. Sorry, give me just a minute. Sorry, I didn't find the number, but there, in my tenure, there was lots of literary exchange with many of the national, international, under zone or under district. Thank you to Rotary in Binay Mahajan for done this. Without this, without your encouragement and effort, this would not happen. So thank you very much. So I would like to say outstanding general member of my tenure, Rotary 2019-20 is Rotary Navin Kadayat. Please a big round of applause for him. So next one, outstanding board of director of Rotary 1920, Rotary Tilak Rajpadu, which is current president of Rotary Club of Liberty College. A big round of applause for him. So thank you everyone. This is all for now. I wish we'll have a great time ahead.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Hemanti. It was literally a fruitful and a wonderful Rotary. We really learned, and I believe we have more to learn and more to go. Now, next, it is time for gesture of appreciation to IPP Rotaractor Hemanti Kumarichan by President Rotaractor Tilak Rajpadu for successfully leading the club during the last Rotary year.
Thank you. Thank you, Ravina. Samir, could you please screen?
Someone could you please zoom a bit?
Yes. Okay. That's okay. Token of honor. Protractor Hemanti Kumari Chand, President, Rotayar 1920, Rotary Club of Liberty College. We'd like to express our sincere gratitude toward the leadership and coordination during the Rotary movement. Your tireless effort had contributed to scale the apex of success and create ample opportunity to grow our club as well as the member associated with the club. We are expecting your continuous support and guidance for the important of all aspects in days to come. Congratulations for successful accomplishing your tenure. We wish you extend best wishes for your future endeavor. Best regard, with your best regard, Protector Tilak Raj Badu. Me. Thank you. Rotary Club of Liberty College.
Thank you, Protector Tilak Raj Badu.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Tilak Raj Badu. Now I would like to request our zonal Rotaract representative, Lokras Pandey, Rotaractor Lokras Pandey to address the meeting.
Thank you, Dr. Robina, MC for the today. Firstly, I would like to congratulate my president, Dr. Hemanti, for successful tenure and extend my best wishes to Tilak Badu for upcoming tenure. I think there is Howard. I would prefer to go with Nepali. So I think, sorry for Howard, that I will go with mother tongue. Thank you for being comfortable. धेरैजना रोट्याक्टर साथीहरू उपस्थित हुनुहुन्छ। एकदम ऊर्जावान कुरा भनेको यो हो जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई पहिलो पटक। सर्वप्रथम हामी उपस्थित हुन पाएका छौं। त्यसमा सम्पूर्ण साथीहरू कुन समस्या भयो पनि भएन, सन्ध्याकालीन अवस्था भए पनि हामी आइसकेका, त्यसको लागि एकदम म चाहिँ खुश छु। आज हामी 9 लिबर्टी कलेजको 9 वर्षमा प्रवेश गर्दैछौँ। यसको मतलब केही न केही कदम अगाडि बढिसकेको छ। हामी नयाँ क्लब रहेनौँ, अब चाहिँ पुरानो क्लब हुँदै गयो। त्यही भएर साथीहरूलाई चाहिँ अब आउने प्रेसिडेन्टहरूलाई चाहिँ काँधमा जिम्मेवारी बढ्दै गएको छ, किनकि 8 वटा प्रेसिडेन्टले जुन तपाईलाई दिएको लेगेसी छ, जुन तपाईले अपलोड गर्नुभएको भार छ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ कायम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। यो प्रेसिडेन्टसिप जति बढ्दै गयो त्यति नै भार हुन्छ। त्यसैले भन्नुहुन्छ, अघि हेमन्तले पनि भन्नुभएको थियो, मलाई रिलिफ हो भनिन्छ यो टेनियरको एन्डमा। साँच्चै नै, किन भनेको केही न केही भार त हुन्छ, त्यो देखिँदै भारी क्रियाको भारी नभए पनि मनको भारी, साँच्चै नै जिम्मेवारीको भारी धेरै ठुलो हुने गर्दछ। तिलकलाई यति समस्या भारी आइपुगेको समस्या हैन, त्यो चाहिँ यो समस्या, यो भारी चाहिँ तपाईले एकदम तपाईको टिमसँग मिलेर तपाईले बोक्नु पर्ने छ। त्यो भारीलाई तपाईले सँगाल्नु पर्ने छ र त्यो भारी तपाई मात्र तपाईले एउटा नयाँ बोझ, एउटा नयाँ प्रेसिडेन्टलाई दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ। त्यसमा चाहिँ तपाईले आजदेखि नै एउटा भिजन बनाएर, एउटा उद्देश्य बनाएर तपाईले अगाडि बढ्नुपर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ मेरो दृष्टि छ। कर्म गर्दै जानु होला भनिन्छ, धेरै पुरानोदेखि भनाइ, कर्म गर्दै जानु, फलको आश नगर्नु भने। यो तपाई कर्म गर्दै गर्नुस्, मैले आजको भोलि के परीक्षा छ, मेरो फल के छ भन्ने कुरामा तपाईले सोच्नै हुन्न। किनकि तपाईको जुन कर्म गर्नुहुन्छ आज रोट्र्याक जर्नीमा, त्यो अरु बेला भए पनि, जस्तै हामीले पढेको विषयमा के हुन्छ भने यो सेमेस्टरको एक्जाम दियो, केही नभए पनि 6 महिनामा त रिजल्ट आउला, 1 वर्ष त होला नेपाल कन्सेप्टमा, बाहिरबाट छिटै आउँछ भए पनि। र रोट्र्याकमा यस्तो जर्नी हो, विशम्बर दाइले कायम गरेको जुन तपाईको जर्नी छ, चाहिँ त विशम्बर दाइले अहिलेसम्म पनि पाइरहनु भएको छ क्या। 1 वर्षको टेनरमा पक्कै पनि पाउँदैन। सन्तोष दाइको त्यही छ, सुनिलको त्यही छ, अरु जो पनि पास्ट पेसेन्ट हुन्छ विनयजीको त्यही छ। त्यसले तपाईले म रोटा वर्ष 20-21 मा सब गर्छु भन्ने बित्तिकै मैले उसको फल 20-21 मा पाउँछु भनेर चाहिँ आशा नगर्नु होला। सम्पूर्ण रोटाक्टर साथीहरूले पनि एउटा विश्वास चाहिँ बोकेर हिँड्नु होला। म आजको रोटा हेरेको आज नै गेन गर्छु भनेर तपाईले पाउनुहुन्न। रोट्र्याकमा मैले यो गेन गर्छु भन्ने चाहिँ सम्भव नै छैन। तपाईले कहिले गेन गर्नुहुन्छ भने जब तपाईलाई अनुभव हुन्छ, जब त्यसको आवश्यकता हुन्छ, तपाईले कति कुरालाई फिल गर्नुहुन्छ, तपाईको फिल्डमा जाँदाखेरि साँच्चै नै त्यतिखेर चाहिँ तपाई फिल गर्नुहुन्छ ती कुराहरूलाई। त्यही भएर सम्पूर्ण रोटेक साथीहरूले यो कुरा चाहिँ यी परिवेशहरू चाहिँ बुझ्नु होला। अब तिलक अलिकति म परिवेशमा जाँदै तिलक हेमन्ती भनौँ न उनीहरूसँग चाहिँ काम गर्दा एउटा साँच्चै नै खुसी पनि मिल्छ, एउटा गर्वको कुरा पनि मिल्छ, किनकि दुईटै नजिक हाम्रो नजिकको ठाउँतिरको मान्छे परे, त्यो भएर पनि एउटा खुसी लाग्छ। अलिकति अट्याचमेन्ट हाम्रो यो गाउँघर छोडेपछि गाउँघरको मान्छेदेखि नै अट्याचमेन्ट हुन्छ, उहाँको सक्सेस देख्यो भने साँच्चै नै एउटा अट्याचमेन्ट आफैमा पनि आउँछ। हेमन्तीको प्रेसिडेन्ट हुँदाखेरि मलाई पनि एउटा खुसी लागेको थियो, किनकि आफ्नै गाउँ परिवेशको मान्छे भएको छ, सजिलो हुन्छ काम गर्न भन्ने धेरै कुरा सेयर पनि भएको थियो, हामीसँग काम गर्ने मौका मात्र नमिलेको। र तिलकसँग पनि त्यही छ, जेडारा न एज अ जेडारा मात्र नभइकन आफ्नै गाउँ ठाउँको दाइ भएर पनि तपाईँले जुनसुकै समस्या राख्नुहुन्छ या जुनसुकै रोटेकले केही पनि अबुझ कुराहरू भयो भने हामी मिलेर अगाडि बढ्नेछौँ। रोटेकमा केही समयपछि हाम्रो आज डिआरआर पनि उपस्थित हुन्, डिआरले पनि राख्नुहुन्छ होला। हामीले रोटेकमा के सिक्छौँ कसरी गर्छौँ भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ अहिलेको परिवेश केही फरक आइसकेको छ, किनभने अहिलेको हामी सबै भर्चुअलमा गइसकेका छौँ र जुन तरिकाले हामीले एक्टिभिटी गर्छौँ त्यो प्याटर्न चेन्ज गर्नु परिरहेछ, त्यसलाई एडप्ट गर्नु परिरहेछ। र तपाईँको गएको वर्षभन्दा अगाडि भनौँ न 19-20सम्म कसैसँग पनि त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स थिएन क्या। अब तपाईँलाई भन्न सक्दैनन् क्या उनीहरूले कि यस्तो गरौँ यस्तो नगरौँ, किनकि अनुभव भन्नाले पनि प्रेडिक्सनको आधारमा हुन्छ, तर अनुभवको आधारमा कोही पनि केही भन्न सक्दैन, किनकि भर्चुअलको रिजल्ट के छ भन्ने कसैलाई पनि थाहा छैन क्या। तपाईँ एउटा नयाँ जर्नीमा हुनुहुन्छ, नयाँ जर्नी तपाईँले लिड गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, त्यो एकदम खुसी खबर हो तपाईँले, किनकि नयाँ जर्नीमा एउटा लिडर भएर तपाईँ अगाडि बढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने एकदम गर्व। हामी एज अ जेडआरआर एज अ डिआरआर क्लब प्रेसिडेन्ट मैले 13वटा क्लबलाई लिड गर्ने क्रममा मैले बुझिरहेको कुरा त्यो हो क्या। मैले एज जेडआरआर मैले कुन कन्सेप्ट ल्याएको थिएँ जब म डिसेम्बरमा एज जेडआरआर मैले एपोइन्ट भएको थिएँ, मेरो कन्सेप्ट एउटा थियो, तर आज मैले कन्सेप्ट बदलिनु भयो, मैले एडप्टेसनमा बुझिरहेको छु र त्यो तपाईँले एडप्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। तपाईँ रुरल एरियामा भनेर इन्टरनेटको समस्या भएको छ पनि एउटा तपाईँले त्यहाँबाट पनि कार्यवाहीको अहिलेसम्म गरिराख्नु भएको छ, 1.5 महिना भइसक्यो तपाईँको जुन लिबर्टी कलेजले काम गरिदिइरहेको छ, जुन तपाईँको टिमले तपाईँले नगरे पनि हुन्छ, तपाईँको बिहाफमा तपाईँको टिमले काम गर्छ भन्ने तपाईँको ठुलो सक्सेस त्यो जति केही भएन, किनकि तपाईँ मोबिलाइज हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँकोमा भार हुन्छ र तपाईँ मात्र सिक्दै हुनुहुन्छ। र यदि तपाईँले आफ्नो भार बाँड्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँ सबभन्दा ठुलो व्यक्ति किन हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँले आफ्नो ज्ञान बाँड्दै हुनुहुन्छ, आफ्नो लिडरसिप स्किल बाँड्दै हुनुहुन्छ। र रोटेकमा आउने कुरा भनेको दुईवटा सबभन्दा ठुलो कुरा के हो भने लिडरसिप गेन गर्नु, लिडरसिप बाँड्नु। म सधैँ म एउटा फोकस पोइन्टमा गर्नुहुन्छ, मैले एउटा वर्ष 19-20मा जतिवटा पनि भनौँ न आफ्नो पर्सेप्सनबाट मैले अब हाम्रो हरेक महिना एउटा न्युज लेटर लेख्दा म जहिले पनि लिडरसिप कोट मात्र लेख्थेँ, किनकि हामीले यहाँ के पाउनु छ भने एउटा लिडरसिप एबिलिटी हो क्या। तपाईँको क्लबको धेरै मान्छेसँग मैले इन्ट्रेक्ट छ, त्यो देखेको पनि छु हाउ दे उनीहरूले कसरी चेन्ज गरे आफूलाई लिडरसिप स्किलमा। त्यो अपर्च्युनिटी तपाईँ सम्पूर्ण रोटेक्टरहरूलाई अवस्था छ, किनकि योभन्दा अगाडि हामी त्यति बिजनेस भनौँ न त्यति फिजिकली अपर्च्युनिटी नपाएन, अब भर्चुअली धेरै अपर्च्युनिटी पाइरहेको छु, यसलाई ग्र्याब गर्नु होला। र जुन यो वर्षको थिम रहेको छ क्रिएटिङ भ्यालु, यो आफैमा एउटा भ्यालु हो क्या। तपाईँ भर्चुअलीमा जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने यो वर्ष हामीले केही न केही एउटा डिस्ट्रिक्टको थिममा चाहिँ भर्चुअली रूपमा पनि एउटा हामीले भ्यालु क्रिएट गर्छौँ भनेर चाहिँ हामीलाई आँट आइसकेको छ र डिस्ट्रिक्ट टिमले पनि त्यो लिइसकेको छ, त्यसमा कुनै पनि दोहोऱ्याएको छैन। किनकि तपाईँ भर्चुअली यति प्रोजेक्ट गरिदिनु भयो, एउटा वर्ष 2021मा एज अ रोटेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट 292ले क्लबले कसरी काम गर्यो भने हामीले भर्चुअल कम्पाइल गर्ने बित्तिकै पनि भर्चुअली एउटा नलेज पायौँ भन्ने, भर्चुअली इभन हामीलाई पनि थाहा थिएन एउटा वर्ष 19-20मा जुम कसरी चल्थ्यो, मिट कसरी चल्थ्यो, कसरी चल्थ्यो, यो पनि सिकिरहेको छु। यसले पनि हरेक व्यक्तिमा एउटा आफैमा मैले सिकेँ भन्ने, सिक्नु नै एउटा भ्यालु हो क्या तपाईँको लागि, भनेपछि भ्यालु क्रिएट भइसकेको छ नि त। अरू थप छन्, अब अहिले डिआरआर हुनुहुन्छ हामीसँग, डिआरआरले थप गोल्सहरूमा केही जोड दिएर उहाँले भन्नुहुन्छ, म त्यसमा अहिले प्रवेश गर्दैन। सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई चाहिँ विशेष मेरो बियोन्ड द लिडरसिपमा चाहिँ पनि तपाईँ काम गर्नु होला। लिडरसिप मात्र एज अ क्लब प्रेसिडेन्ट मात्र तपाईँको ड्युटी छैन, बियोन्ड द क्लब पनि जानुपर्ने अवस्था छ। एज अ 9 वर्ष पुगिसकेका छौँ हामीले, अपर्च्युनिटी अब रोटेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी पनि इन्करेज हुँदैछ हरेक वर्ष। तपाईँले रोटेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीमा पनि तपाईँको अपनत्व देखिनुपर्छ, किनभनेको तपाईँको पास्ट पेसेन्टहरूको एउटा भनिन्छ एउटा बुवाले जुन काम आँट्न सकेन त्यो छोरालाई आँट्न लगाउँछ, किनकि तपाईँको बुवाले पनि भन्नुभयो होला डक्टर इन्जिनियर, किनकि तपाईँको बुवा हुन सक्नु भएन। कुरा साँच्चै नै हो, तपाईँको पास्ट पेसेन्टहरूले जति पनि काम गर्नुहुन्छ त्यसमा जहाँ जहाँ आफू म बेटर हुन सक्थेँ पोजिटिभ वेमा, जहाँ जहाँ मैले गरिनँ भन्ने होइन, जहाँ म बेटर हुन सक्थेँ म मेरो आउने लिडरसिपलाई म त्यो ह्यान्डओभर गर्छु है। भनेपछि तपाईँको विशम्बरदेखि दाइ लिएर हेमन्तसम्मको एउटा कन्सेप्ट के छ भने अब टकराज कन्सेप्ट के हुन्छ भने मेरो लिडरसिपमा जसले काम गरेको थियो दे गो तिनीहरूको बियोन्ड द लिडरसिपमा गएर पनि फलोस् तिनीहरूको पनि देख्न पाइयोस् र त्यसमा देख्न सम्पूर्ण आतुर हुनुहुन्छ किनकि आज जति तपाईँको पार्टिसिपेसन उपलब्ध तपाईँको सक्सेस हेर्न आउनु भएको हो क्या क्लब त चलिरहेछ क्लबले 9 वर्षमा परिवेश गर्ने बित्तिकै बुझिसक्यो क्लब चल्दैछ भन्ने कुरा तपाईँको लिडरसिप हेर्नलाई तपाईँको हामीले कुन अवस्थामा छोडेको थियो र कुन अवस्थामा क्लबलाई कुन अवस्थामा पुगाइसक्यो त्यो उनीहरू भिजनरी हिसाबमा हेर्न आएको उनीहरूलाई खुस पार्नुपर्ने हुन्छ तपाईँको आफ्नो मेम्बरहरूलाई पनि तपाईँले बियोन्ड द लिडरसिप वर्क गर्न सिकाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ रोटी रोड ट्र्याक जर्नीमा आएको छ भने रोटी रोड ट्र्याक भन्ने के हो 9 वर्षको जर्नी पुगिसकेको छ अब 9 वर्षको जर्नीमा हामीले रोटी भने के हो रोड ट्र्याक भने थाहा छैन भन्न मिल्दैन तपाईँको क्लबको मेम्बरले तपाईँ मेन्टरसिप गर्नुहोस् तपाईँको पास्ट पेसेन्टहरू हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँको रोटी सपोर्टिभ हुनुहुन्छ ट्र्याक डिस्ट्रिक्ट सधैँ त्यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ भनेपछि तपाईँले ग्रुम गर्नुपर्ने चाहिँ पहिलो दाइ त्यसमा कतै पनि ल्याक नहुनु होला हामीलाई थाहा छ हामीले युनिभर्सिटिजमा के कति काम गर्दाखेरि अप्ठ्यारो पर्छ उहाँहरूको आफ्नै समस्या हुन्छ त्यसमा बावजुद पनि रोटा वर्ष 19-20मा काम गर्नु भएको छ त्यसलाई 20-21 पनि एक्सटेन्ड गर्नु होला त्यसमा रोटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीबाट जस्तो सहयोग हुन्छ हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण टिम लागिरहनै पर्नेछ तपाईँले प्रोफेसनली पर्सनली म दुइटै भन्छु पर्सनली प्रोफेसनली तपाईँलाई कसरी हुन्छ तपाईँको एउटा कलमा हामीले हाम्रो सक्दो सहयोग गर्नेछ त्यसमा निर्धक्क बस्नु होला र सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई म हरेक जोनल इभेन्टमा या जोनल डिस्ट्रिक्टको इभेन्टहरूमा तपाईँले पार्टिसिपेट गर्नु होला जोनलतिर पार्टिसिपेट गर्नु किनकि एउटा अर्को भनेको कहिले पनि मोटो नबिर्सिनु होला फेलोसिप थ्रु सर्भिस ओरिएन्टेड रोड ट्र्याकले हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन है रोड ट्र्याकसँग तपाईँले रोटीसँग हाम्रो आरआईकै गाइडलाइनमा हेर्नुहोस् हामीले सर्भिस कसरी गर्ने हो र कसरी गर्ने भनेर त्यहाँ सिरियल्ली मेन्सन छ त्यो तपाईँ सर्भिसमा किन दौडिने तपाईँको पोटेन्सियल छ भने दौडिनुहोस् छैन भने मैले सर्भिस गर्न पाइनँ भनेर दुःख गर्नु तर फेलोसिपमा तपाईँले आफ्नै रोड ट्र्याकमा रहेर आफ्नै रोड ट्र्याकको मोटो चाहिँ नगुमाउनु होला रोड ट्र्याक मोटोमा काम गर्नु होला र फेलोसिप थ्रु सर्भिस भन्ने कुरा के हो इच एन्ड एभ्री मेम्बर न्युली इन्डक्टर मेम्बर आज 7 जना इन्डक्ट हुनुभएको छ यङ्गेस्ट रोड ट्र्याक मेम्बर अहिलेको लागि हुनुभएको छ उहाँलाई सिकाउनु होला फेलोसिप थ्रु सर्भिस के हो भन्ने कुरा र त्यसमा कसरी भिज्न सकिन्छ र विभिन्न क्लबहरू हाम्रै जोनमा 13वटा क्लब छन् अहिले डिस्ट्रिक्टमा 134वटा क्लब पुगिसके उनीहरूसँग कसरी हुन्छ जोइन्टली काम गर्नु होला किनकि यो जोइन्टली काम गर्नु भनेको तपाईँले आफ्नो लिडरसिप बियोन्ड द क्लब एक्सटेन्ड गर्नु र त्यसमा कहिले पनि ल्याक नहुनु होला भन्ने चाहिँ मेरो विशेष अनुरोध छ र म धेरै कुरा परिवेश रोटी रोड ट्र्याक गोज अन यसरी हामी स्पिकिङ गर्नै लाग्यो भने धेरै समय जान्छ सो म यति नै व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु थ्याङ्क यू फर ह्याभिङ मी अनि congratulations to Hemanti once again and best wishes to Tilak. I'm here for you if anything needed from my side and I will help each and every time professional personally. So I request all the club member also if you need any help as a road track and a personal that I can do if you think I'm here for you. Please contact me. Thank you having to the MC.
Literally, you said very true. To learn or learning is always itself a value. Thank you so much, our ZRR, for your valuable words. Now, I would like to request the program coordinator of Liberty College to address the meeting.
Am I audible, Ravina? Are you listening to me?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Whenever I am called to your meeting, I usually find myself in my school and college days. You guys have done a lot. First of all, I was unaware about the term Bhutan 3292, but my student helped me to get this. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me in this 9th installation ceremony of RAC Liberty College. I would like to thank Rotary Club of Nagarjun, who is the guardian of Liberty Road Track, for grooming our students in a very beautiful way. Thank you so much, Road Track of Nagarjun. Then I want to thank Howard Cohen, if I am not wrong, who is the upcoming DG for the Rotary International, for his gracious presence here. And finally, I thank you all the members of the road track for your continuous effort. And I have to mention some names. They are my students, but I would like to prefer them to call brothers. I would like to mention the name of Bisombar Basnet, Gunjan, Susmit, Santosh, Binay, Ravina, and Hemanti. for your continuous hard work and effort. And the upcoming generation have to learn a lot from them. Now I'd like to congratulate Tilak Raj Badu and his team for the marvelous success. You have to lead in a very beautiful way for the organized effort. So you guys, you all are the gems, not only the gems of Rotrack, not only the gems of Liberty College, you are the gems of this country. Thank you so much. So talking about Liberty College, here at Liberty College, I don't want to say that Rotrack is only a club. For me, for us, it is more than a club, it's a brand. You have done many more things inside and outside the college. I can't recall many of them because you have done blood donation program, you have done many more social work, you have come up with many innovative ideas which have a value to the Liberty College as well as the students of Liberty College. So you all have zeal and enthusiasm to do each and everything that will help in the betterment in the development of the society as well as yourself. Now I would like to say you a story. I would like to share you a story. It's a story about a young person and Richard Branson. I think you guys have you guys have known him. Richard Branson is the CEO of the Virgin Airlines. The person asked Richard Branson, "Sir, what is the mantra of your success?" Then Richard Branson replied. He replied that the success of my mantra is right choices. Because of my right choices, I am here. Then the person again asked, "How do you get the right choices?" Then he again replied, "It is because of the experience I have gained." Then again the person asked, "How do you get that experience, sir?" Then he replied, "Because of the mistakes and failure I have done." So my moral of this story is, don't dare to fail. If you fail, you have to you will learn something. So if you learn something, one day you will achieve the height of success. You will achieve the height of success. Finally, I want to say that understand your grades are not only the parameter of success. I always used to tell you that grades are not very important things. These are not the only parameters of success. Your sincerity, hard work, social service, and humility are the qualities you must have. You should have those qualities within you. So with the combination of your education and with the combination of these qualities, no one can compete with you. Do your best to get where you want to. And if you can't achieve success due to the different factors which are not in our control, in that case, accept failure, because failure is the stepping stone to success. If you fail, you will learn more. So don't dare to fail. Fail and learn more. Thank you so much. Thank you for the time you have given to me. Robin, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. You have always forwarded your hand, helpful and supportive hand throughout our journey. Your presence have always made us feel home in Liberty College. Thank you so much, sir. Now moving forward, I would like to request District Rotrack Representative, Rotaractor Sanjeev Paudel, to address the meeting.
Thank you, host. Respected President Hemanti Kumari Chand, President B21 Tilak Raj Badu, DG from District 5030, ZRR, representative from the club Liberty College, and all my fellow Rotaractors. सबैजना नमस्ते. सुरुमा त धन्यवाद तपाईको स्टेसन सेरेमनीमा इन्भाइट गर्नुभएकोमा. So thank you very much. Talking about यो साल चाहिँ I think धेरै कुरा हाम्रो अघि जेडारजीले पनि धेरै कुराहरू सेयर गर्नुभयो. सो म केही कुरा चाहिँ यो साल हामीले डिस्ट्रिक्टमा कसरी काम गरिरहेछौँ र हाउ वी आर फङ्सनिङ भन्ने पार्टमा चाहिँ केही कुरा हाइलाइट गर्न चाहन्छु, सो द्याट अल क्लब मेम्बरलाई पछि त्यो आधारमा रहेर काम गर्न पनि सजिलो होस्. सो यो साल जसरी हामीले क्लबहरूलाई 3 इयर मिनिमम गोल बनाउनु भिजन बनाउनु भनेर अगाडि बढिरहेका छौँ। डिस्ट्रिक्टले पनि हामीले 3 इयर भिजन बनाएका थियौँ र 2 इयरको यो साल यो 2021 चाहिँ हाम्रो लास्ट इयर पनि हो र सो त्यो कुरालाई मध्यनजर गरेर हामीले केही फोकस एरियाहरू र केही गोलहरू चाहिँ अगाडि सारेका छौँ। सो यो साल हामी अथवा यो रोट्रा इयरमा हामी फोकस गर्न खोजेको पार्ट भनेको एज यु अल नो हामी रोट्राक्टरहरू 18 वर्षदेखि माथिका छौँ। सो हामी प्रोफेसनल इन्हान्समेन्टको पार्टलाई चाहिँ एकदमै बढी फोकस गरेर अगाडि बढ्न खोजिरहेका छौँ यो साललाई फर्स्ट पार्ट। यसमा कसरी अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ भन्दा एज तपाईँहरूले आज अगस्त 30 छ, भोलि अगस्त 31 छ, 31सम्म तपाईँले मेम्बरसिप अपडेट गर्नुपर्छ रोट्राक नेपालमा। मेम्बरसिप अपडेट गर्ने बेलामा सबै रोट्राक्टरहरूले जस्तै हाम्रो धेरै 2 थरी रोट्राक्टरहरू हुन्छ हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्टमा, एउटा युनिभर्सिटी बेस एउटा कम्युनिटी बेस। युनिभर्सिटी बेसमा पनि कुनै ठाउँमा एउटै फिल्डको जस्तै मेडिकल कलेजहरूमा हामी देख्यौँ भने फुल्ली मेडिकल साथीहरू डाक्टर पढ्ने साथीहरू मात्रै, वा कुनै ठाउँमा देख्यो भने एउटै फ्याकल्टीको बढी साथीहरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ र कहीँ ठाउँमा कम्युनिटी बेस क्लबहरूमा डिफ्रेन्ट फ्याकल्टीको साथीहरू हुन्छ। उसलाई चाहिँ हामी फर्स्टमा क्याटेगोराइज गर्छौँ हामीसँग भएको मोर देन 5000 मेम्बर। देन सेकेन्ड स्टेज भनेको हामीले रोटरीसँग मिलेर र अरू सङ्घ संस्थाहरूसँग मिलेर प्रोफेसनको आधारमा हामी रिजनल ट्रेनिङहरू अर्गनाइज गर्छौँ। मेबी कोभिडले अब ठिक भयो प्लेटफर्म हामीले पायौँ भने विल डु इट फिजिकल्ली, र भएन भने हामी त्यसलाई भर्चुअली पनि त्यो प्रोग्रामहरू गर्छौँ। र थर्ड स्टेज भनेको इन रोट्राक देयर आर जब गिभर, जब सिकर, एन्टरप्रेन्योर, बिजनेसम्यान, हामी सबैजनाको एउटा पुल छ। त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी विभिन्न सोसियल मिडिया, वेबसाइट लगायत अन्य प्लेटफर्महरू युज गरेर चाहिँ हामी त्यसलाई चाहिँ कनेक्ट गर्ने काम गर्छौँ। सो फर्स्ट थिङ हामीले चाहिँ प्रोफेसनल इन्हान्समेन्टको पार्टलाई चाहिँ बढी फोकस गर्न खोजिरहेका छौँ यो सालमा। सो सेकेन्ड थिङ हामीले फोकस गर्न खोजेको पार्ट भनेको एज यु अल नो रोटरी लिटरेसी मिसन। जसरी नेपालमा पोलियो इन भएको थियो त्यसरी नै अब 10 वर्षमा नेपाललाई 100% लिटरेट बनाउने भनेर जुन गभर्मेन्टले मिसन लिएको छ त्यसमा कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्नको लागि रोटरी इन्टरनेसनल रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3-2 पनि कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ अघिल्लो साल एग्रिमेन्ट गरेको छ। त्यसलाई सपोर्ट गर्नको लागि हामीले अहिलेसम्म लेटेस्ट 2 इयरमा रोट्राकले गरेको कन्ट्रिब्युसनलाई यो साल चाहिँ 25%ले बढाउने। र कसरी बढाउने भन्दा बढाउनको लागि हाम्रो रिसोर्स चाहिन्छ भने त्यो रिसोर्सको लागि रोटरी इन्टरनेसनल रोटरी क्लब र अन्य सङ्घ संस्थाहरू जुन हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ उनीहरूसँग चाहिँ कोलाबोरेट गरेर त्यो 25% चाहिँ बढाउने भनेर अगाडि बढेका छौँ। र थर्ड थिङ यो साल हामीले गर्न खोजेको पार्ट भनेको अरू सङ्घ संस्थाहरूसँग कोलाबोरेसन। जस्तै रोट्राक जस्तै युथ संस्थाहरू नेपालमा धेरै अरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ। सो उनीहरूसँग वी वान कोलाबोरेट। र ओभरअल यो सबै एक्टिभिटीहरू गर्नेको हाम्रो लक्ष्य भनेको जसरी हामीले डिस्ट्रिक्टले यो साल थिम राखेका छौँ क्रिएटिङ भ्यालु। हामीलाई हाम्रो क्लब मेम्बरको हाम्रो क्लबमा जब मेम्बरहरू प्रोफेसनली इन्हान्स हुन्छ, प्रोफेसनली नयाँ कुराहरू सिक्छ, डेभलप हुन्छ, प्रोफेसनली ग्रोथ गर्छ, आफ्नो क्लबमा उसको भ्यालु गेन हुन्छ। र हामीले सर्भिस गरिसकेपछि वी आर हियर टु लर्न, डेभलप आवर सेल्फ एन्ड डु सर्भिस एज वेल। सो कम्युनिटीमा गएर सर्भिस गरिसकेपछि कम्युनिटीमा पनि हामीले भ्यालु क्रिएट गर्छौँ। र ओभरअल एक्टिभिटी गर्नुले चाहिँ हामीले भ्यालु क्रिएट गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ थिम पनि क्रिएटिङ भ्यालु राखेका छौँ। सो टकिङ अबाउट क्रिएटिङ भ्यालु, मलाई रोट्राकमा चाहिँ एउटा इन्सिडेन्ट याद आयो। लाइक म जब 15-16मा थिएँ, म जब जेडार थिएँ, यो जुन फोको जेडार थिएँ म पहिला, त्यो बेलामा हाम्रो एउटा क्लब थियो पर्वत, रोट्राक क्लब अफ पर्वत, पोखराबाट एराउन्ड 50 किलोमिटर टाढा पर्छ पर्वत। र त्यहाँ क्लबको चाहिँ हामीले जसरी रोट्राक विक सेलिब्रेसन गर्छौँ, रोट्राक विकलाई मार्क गरेर सेलिब्रेसन प्रोग्राममा म जाँदै थिएँ। बेलुकाको समय थियो, रातिको टाइममा एराउन्ड ढिलो अफिस भएर राति 8 बजीतिर हामी यहाँबाट जाँदै थियो बाटोमा। पर्वत पुग्ने बेलामा चाहिँ म र एकजना हाम्रो ड्राइभर दाइ मात्रै हुनुहुन्थ्यो। अनि त्यो बेलामा एकदम कडा चेकिङ थियो पर्वत छिर्ने बेलामा। अनि आई थिङ्क देयर आर सम इस्यु र चेकिङ एकदमै कडा थियो, चेकिङ गरिराख्नु भएको थियो, हामीलाई ढिला पनि भइरहेको थियो। अनि हाम्रो गाडीमा चाहिँ भोलि त्यो प्रोग्राममा बाँड्नको लागि धेरै सामानहरू पनि खचाखच थियो। अनि ट्याक्कै चेकिङ गर्ने बेलामा आयो, अनि हाम्रो ट्राफिक गाईले सोध्नुभयो कता जान्ला भन्नु। अनि है हाम्रो भोलि यस्तो प्रोग्राम छ, रोट्राकको कार्यक्रम, त्यहाँ जान्ला। एन्ड द गाई दियर वाज भेरी ह्याप्पी होइन। त्यो ट्राफिक गाई चाहिँ रोट्राकको कार्यक्रम ल जानु क्या, चेक गर्नुपर्छ तपाईँहरूलाई भन्नु उसले पठाइदियो क्या। एन्ड आई वाज सक होइन, कडा चेकिङ भइरहेछ। एन्ड जस्ट द सिङ्गल वर्ड आई प्रोनाउन्स देम, वी आर रोड ट्र्याक्टर, वी डिडन्ट चेक आवर भेहिकल। सो मलाई एकदमै सक लाग्यो। एन्ड देन हामी खुसी हुँदै गयौँ। अनि पर्वतमा गएर साथीहरूसँग यस्तो भयो नि आज भनेर सुनायौँ। एन्ड द पिपुल देयर सेड होइन, हामी ट्राफिक कार्डलेसँग यति धेरै प्रोग्राम गरेका छौँ कि दे ट्रस्ट द नेम रोड ट्र्याक। तपाईँ जब रोड ट्र्याक भन्नुहुन्छ, रोड ट्र्याकको आइडी कार्ड देखाउनुहुन्छ, ट्राफिक अथवा त्यहाँको कम्युनिटीमा यस्तो ट्रस्ट छ कि दे आर नट डुइङ एनिथिङ रङ। तिनीहरूले हामीलाई ह्याप्पीली पनि जान दियो। एन्ड भोलिपल्ट प्रोग्राम पनि गऱ्यौँ। अनि त्यो बेला चाहिँ आई फिल लाइक होइन हाउ मच पिपुल ट्रस्ट रोड ट्र्याक्टर इन दिस कम्युनिटी। हामीलाई त्यो लेभलको ट्रस्ट ट्राफिक पुलिसले, गभर्मेन्ट निकायले चाहिँ विथआउट चेकिङ पठाइदिने भने त्योभन्दा ठुलो ट्रस्ट के हुनसक्छ। सो त्यो बेला चाहिँ मलाई यति नै खुसी फिल भएको थियो कि आई थिङ्क आई फिल प्राउड एज अ रोड ट्र्याक्टर दियर। सो हामीले गर्ने एक्टिभिटीहरू भनेको वी सुड क्रिएट, त्यो बेला भएको के भन्दा हाम्रो संस्थाको कम्युनिटीमा वा सरकारी निकायसँग भ्यालु क्रिएट भयो भने चाहिँ यो इयर पनि हामीले फोकस गर्न लागेको सबै ठाउँमा वी सुड बी एबल टु क्रिएट भ्यालु अफ अर्गनाइजेसन। त्यो ट्रस्ट, त्यो गेन चाहिँ हामीले गरौँ भन्ने हो। सो अल अफ आवर एक्टिभिटी विल बी फोकस। हामीले अगाडिबाट पनि साथीहरूलाई कम्युनिकेट गरिरहेको छ, त्यो कुरामा हामी फोकस भएर काम गरौँ। आई थिङ्क त्यो भनेको हाम्रो लागि सबभन्दा ठुलो रिकग्निसन हुनसक्छ। र यो साल हामी थोरै एक्टिभिटीहरू गर्ने बेलामा कम्युनिटी बेस्ड क्लब र युनिभर्सिटी बेस्ड क्लबलाई थोरै फरक तरिकाले कसरी जस्तै निड अनुसार फरक हुनसक्छ, गर्ने एक्टिभिटीहरू फरक हुनसक्छ। मेबी त्यो कुराहरू रिकग्निसनको केसमा होला, त्यो कुराहरू एक्टिभिटीको केसमा होला, वा त्यो कुराहरू डिस्ट्रिक्टले हेर्ने केसमा होला, थोरै स्टडी गरेर त्यसलाई फरक तरिकाले ऊ पनि गर्दैछौँ। किन भन्दा तपाईँहरूले गर्ने एक्टिभिटी, तपाईँहरूले गर्ने प्रोग्रामहरू फरक हुनसक्छ। कम्युनिटी बेस्ड क्लब र युनिभर्सिटी बेस्ड क्लब पनि आफ्नै समस्याहरू पनि हुनसक्छ डिलिङ विथ होइन। म एकचोटि धेरै क्लबहरू भिजिट गर्ने बेलामा मेडिकल कलेज होला, वा मेडिकल कलेजमा भएको क्लब होला, वा अन्य कलेजमा भएको क्लबहरूसँग कुराकानी गर्ने बेलामा होइन डिफ्रेन्ट प्रोग्रामहरू हुन्छ दाइ फ्रम कम्युनिटी बेस्ड, यो कुराहरू याद गर्नु भनेको धेरै सजेसनहरू पनि पाएको थिएँ। सो विल ट्राई टु कोप विथ द्याट सजेसन अल्सो। सो अन्तिममा भन्नुपर्दा पक्कै पनि तपाईँको यो साल चाहिँ एज अ डिआरआर हामी लोकजी जेडार पनि तपाईँहरूसँग क्लोजली काम गर्नुहुन्छ। उहाँले धेरै कुरा पनि भनिसक्नु भयो। वी वान कोप विथ कोभिड, हामी अब चाहिँ स्टप भएर बस्नु छैन, वी हेभ टु मुभ अन विथ इट। अनि हामीले धेरै क्लबहरू भिजिट गर्ने बेलामा पिर पनि लागेको थियो होइन, हाउ क्लब विल फङ्सन भन्दा हामीले यो भर्चुअल वर्ल्ड युज गरेर यो कोभिडको सिचुएसनमा राम्रोसँग कोप गरेर धेरै क्लबले काम गर्नुभएको छ, तपाईँहरूले पनि गर्नुभएको छ। सो लेट्स कोप विथ दिस सिचुएसन। जहाँ समस्या छ त्यहाँ हामीले अपर्च्युनिटी पनि हुन्छ, त्यो अपर्च्युनिटीलाई ग्राब गर्दै अगाडि बढौँ। सो हेमन्तीजीलाई धेरै धेरै बधाई छ। अघि उहाँहरूको प्रोजेक्टहरू पनि मैले हेरेको थिएँ, उहाँले कुन कुन प्रोजेक्टहरू के भयो भनेर उहाँले प्रेजेन्टेसन दिनुभएको थियो। यु हेभ अ वन्डरफुल जब। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच फ्रम रोट्र्याक साइड, रोट्र्याक डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइड, त्यो सम्पूर्ण कामको लागि हेमन्तजी र उहाँको टिमलाई। र होप एज आइपिपी तपाईँले अझै कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्दै अझै सँगाउँदै जानुहुनेछ। र हाम्रो तिलकजीलाई अल द बेस्ट। हामी तपाईँहरूसँगै छौँ, हामी सबै मिलेर रोट्र्याक मुभमेन्टलाई अगाडि बढाउँछौँ। र त्यसपछि हाम्रो लिबर्टी कलेजलाई पनि फ्रम डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइड किप अन सपोर्टिङ द क्लब। एनिथिङ वी निड फ्रम डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइड, एनी कुरा कोअर्डिनेसनको लागि प्लिज फलो भन्नु होला। वी आर अलवेज रेडी। हाम्रो लोकजी त्यही नै हुनुहुन्छ। प्लस हामी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीबाट पनि केही कुराहरू कोप गर्नु पऱ्यो, केही कुराहरू पऱ्यो भने प्लिज फिल फ्री। र हाम्रो लिबर्टी कलेजको रेगुलेटर सरलाई र लिबर्टी कलेजलाई पनि थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच, सपोर्ट गर्दै गर्नु होला। आई होप द रोट्र्याक्टर्स देयर विल मेक यु प्राउड इन कमिङ डेज, अनि अहिलेसम्म पनि प्राउड बनाउनु भएकै छ होला। सो थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच अल। अन्य कुराको लागि पनि लिबर्टी कलेजलाई। त्यसपछि ग्रेट टु सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गभर्नर इलेक्ट फ्रम 5030। I think you have provided enough support to the club, so you keep on supporting. Thank you for your presence in the club installation. Thank you very much, sir, DRI elect from district 5030. And thank you very much for inviting me and listening to me. Hope we will meet soon as well after this COVID pandemic. Thank you very much. Let's create value this year.
Thank you so much, Retractor Sanjeev Paudel. We are always grateful to have you. Now, next I would like to request District Governor-elect of Rotary District 5030, Rotaract Howard J. Cohen, to address the meeting.
Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here and to witness your club's installation. I got to meet many of you on a Zoom call in the past when you started your twinship club with Seattle University, and it has been a wonderful experience. I am simply amazed to witness the projects that you all did in 2019-2020 year. It is, you have done more than most clubs in the areas that I'm aware of, and your reach of the people and the residents and the orphanages and the schools in Kathmandu is quite admirable. To me, Rotary and Rotaract is passion of the heart, and what you do is to, truly follow Rotary's service above self, and you have witnessed yourself here today to do that with an amazing amount of success. So I tip my hat to all of you. I wish you the best in your 2020-2021 year to President Tilak, and hope that you all do well and prosper in all the projects that you want to work on. I will be sure to follow up with Benaya with regard to what you are doing in your club, and welcome each of you to join my club to witness a meeting. We meet on Tuesday mornings, which is Tuesday evenings your time, and if you like, I can send you a link. Benaya has the information, and we would love to have you join us. So congratulations on your past year, and best of luck in your new year to the president and the board. So thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, Howard. Since we came to know you, you have always supported us, and the twinship with Seattle University was only possible because of you. Thank you so much again. We are always grateful to have you, and thank you again.
My pleasure.
Now I would like to request Rotary Actor Rachana Devkota for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Robina Abusel. Good evening to all of you respected ladies and gentlemen. I am Rotractor Rachana Devkota, Sergeant at Arms of Rotaract Club of Liberty College. As we close off this year installation ceremony of new office barriers on behalf of Rotaract Club of Liberty College, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the votes of thanks to this gathering here. First of all, my very special thanks to Chief Guest DRR Sanjeev Paudel, District Rotaract Representative of RI District 329 to Nepal, Bhutan. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to our sponsoring club President Rotarian Dr. Vishnu Prasad Gautam. Similarly, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our ZRR Lokraj Pandey. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Pravik Joshi, Program Director of Liberty College. We would like to thank District Governor elected of Rotary District 5030, Howard J. Cohen. We would like to President of Rotary. I would like to thank President of Rotary Club of Assam University, Rotaractor Swapnil Sarkar. I would like to thank Rotaractor Anita Soti, President of our twin Rotary Club of Prabhat Pokhara, and Rotaractor Chandra Bhakta Adhikari, President of our sister club, Rotary Club of Sukidhara, of their valuable presence in this ceremony. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all who have helped to make these installation functions a grand success. I would like to thank everyone present here for their valuable presence. At last, a quote to end. If is good spirituality, gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. Let us be grateful to people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who makes our souls blossom. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the greatest incession. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Rachana Devkota. And now it is time for a toast proposal by IPP Rotaractor Hemanti Kumarijan for good health and success of President of Nepal, Honorable Vidya Devi Bhandari.
Thank you, Ravina. I would like to toast proposal for good health and successful President of Nepal, Honorable Vidya Devi Bhandari. Clap for 3 times for 3 times. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, everyone.
Now it is time for toast proposal by President Rotaractor Tilak Rajbadu for the good health and success of RI President Holger Max and Lady.
Tilak, can you listen?
Proposal for the good. Okay, thank you. Toast proposal for good health and success for RI President, Honor, Max, and First Lady. clap 3 times to 3 times. Ready? I would like to propose a toast for the good health and success of RI President Hagar, Next and First Lady. Everyone please clap 3 times to 3 times into 3 times.
Please unmute your mic and clap 3 times for 3 times. Let's count.
Count
till 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rotaractor Tilak. Now, now I would like to request Sergeant at Arms Rotaractor Rachana Devkota for making her report.
Thank you, Ravina Vijay. Talking about today's attendance report, the total number of participants 33, among which we had 27 club members from our club, 2 district members, 2 guests, 2 Rotarians. Thank you everyone for being a part of this ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Rachana Devkota. So next, at last, I will like to request to our President, Rotaractor Tilak Raspardu, to adjourn the meeting.
I would like to adjourn today's meeting. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this installation ceremony. Thank you. And congratulations all of my beautiful members. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Tilak Raspardu, and congratulations to you for your presidency. And also, I'd like to congratulate our new team. At last, I would like to thank everyone who present here in the meeting and gave your valuable time. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Oh, I think this is the end, right, Ravina? Now?
Yes, we are at the end now.
Okay.
Ravina,
So
can
thank
I
you.
leave the group?
Yes, sir, you can.
So if
you
have anything, you can tell us.
Yeah.
Thank you, Howard, for being a part of our installation ceremony.
Thank you so much.
It was a great time with you.
My pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, Pravik sir, for being
much,
part of this installation ceremony.
Bye bye.
This is the new normal, right? I'm very happy to see you all after a very long time. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. Have a nice time.
Thank you, sir. We're also happy to see you.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming today.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
I was a bit unethical when I come here today because I am busy. My class from 5:30 to 8:30. at this time my class is running, but how can I miss your program, right? So I said that there was my internet problem with my class teacher. And
Oh.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And I love to join you. It was a very great time.
सरले नेक्स्ट इयरमा चाहिँ मजाले स्पोन्सर दिनुहुन्छ.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
कृष्ण ट्र्याक्टर कृष्ण छ यहाँ अहिले.
तिमीहरुले फोटो
No.
खिचेको छैन?
Yes,
Photos,
sir.
we have recorded the meeting as well, so I think we'll be sending it to you.
Okay. Just let me click a photo of you all. Thank you. I hope to see you tomorrow morning at class.
Yeah.
Of course.
सर उठ्नै कस्तो झ्याउ लाग्छ भनेको.
ठिक छ, तिमीहरुलाई त पछि भेटिहाल्छु नि मैले. त्यही भएर त तिमीहरुलाई स्टुडेन्टबाट ब्रदर सिस्टर भनेको नि मैले.
सर क्लासको टाइम सार्नु न.
मात्र भन्नुभयो, सिस्टर्स नै भन्नु भएन.
सुनेन होला.
राखी त गइसक्यो, गिफ्ट पनि पाइदैन.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Vijay.
Well, Bodu, congratulations on it.
Good night, hey, सबैलाई good night.
Thank you so much.
No one is leaving from the club, है.
किन?
क्लासमा चाहिँ हाम्रो के रे अहिले इन्फर्मल टाइप एउटा चाहिँ रमाइलो गर्ने भनेको
मैले
रोड ट्र्याक्टर
जानु परेन.
कृष्णले गीत पनि गाउँछ भने त्यो मान्छे गायब भएछ. म त्यही भएर अनि मैले केही नभनेको उसले एउटा भन्दा उसले मात्र नाम पढाएको थियो मलाई.
कृष्णले चाहिँ मिटिङ एटेन्ड गरेछन् आज हैन. सो आई थिंक अब त्यो यस्तो गरौँ न त. आज यस्तो गरौँ रबिन, अब किन आज के रे इन्स्टलेसन सेरी पनि अलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स भइसक्यो हैन. सो अलमोस्ट 8 बजिसक्यो. सो आई थिंक अब बरु यो कुरा पछि के फेलोशिप जस्तो गर्नु पर्यो.
You don't understand but he is smiling.
सो आई थिंक टुमोरो भोलि चाहिँ एउटा मिटिङ राखौँ हैन. मिल्छ सबै मेम्बरको पनि, अनि भोलि बसेर चाहिँ अनि डिस्कस गरौँ न.
हुन्छ.
है
अब सबैजना के लिभ हौँ है.
सुस्मित दाइले के भन्छु भनिराख्नु भएको छ एकैछिन ल.
हैन मैले भन्छु.
ए हैन हजुरले के एकैछिन भन्नुभएको थियो त्यही भएर.
हैन मैले के रे अब सबैजना अब जाँदा हुन्छ भनेर भने के.
It seems Howard is enjoying our language, though he didn't understand.
Just sang PUBG and now no.
Okay, bye bye everyone. Hey.
Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. I'll be sending a link.
Okay, bye bye.